Good afternoon, students. What is the last problem in the last class? What is the last problem in the last class? Prove that tan of 1 theta plus 135 into tan of theta minus 135 equals minus 1. Adena my last one. Okay. Today date. What is the date? Today date is 4/8. Today Wednesday. So today first problem. Prove that prove that cos 35 degrees plus cos of 35 degrees plus cos 85 degrees plus cos 155 degrees is equal to 0. సో ఇది ప్రూఫ్ చేయమంటున్నాను. ఓకే, బోర్డ్ క్లియర్గా ఉందా అమ్మా? ఏమన్నా బ్లర్ అవుతుందా? So first of all, we can take LHS, we can prove RHS. Here, what is LHS? Here, LHS is cos 35 degrees plus cos 85 degrees plus cos of 155 degrees. That equals cos 35 plus 35 can be written as by using compound angles. ఎలా యూజ్ చేయొచ్చు, ఎలా రాయొచ్చు చెప్పండి. సో cos 35 plus cos 85 plus cos of 155 can be written as 180 minus ఏమని రాయొచ్చు అమ్మా? 180 minus 25. 180 minus 30 means 150. So 180 minus 25 is equal ఎంత వస్తుందమ్మా? 155. So cos 35 plus cos 85 cos of 180 minus theta. Cos of 180 minus theta means 180 minus theta is in which quadrant? Second quadrant. Second quadrant cos is negative. So minus cos 25 degrees. That equals cos. Okay. Here totally three different angles are there. 35 degrees, 85 degrees and 25 degrees. Okay. 35, 25. These two angles can be written as by using compound angle. 30 plus 5 cos 85 can be written as 90 minus 5 minus cos 25 can be written as 30 minus 5. 30 plus 5, 30 minus 5. Both are compound angles. Compound angle means the algebraic sum of two or more angles. Here 30 and 5 are two angles. So algebraic sum means that is either plus or minus. So 30 plus 5, 30 minus 5. Compound angle, for compound angle, cos of A plus B formula. Cos of A plus B formula ఏంటమ్మా? Cos A cos B cos 30 cos 5 minus sin 30 sin 5 plus cos of 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta is in first quadrant. So that is sin 5 minus cos of A minus B. Cos of A minus B means cos A cos B cos 30 cos 5 minus means plus sin 30 sin 5. That equals cos 30 cos 5 minus what about the value of sin 30 sin 5 plus sine 5. So for these two terms we can applying minus cos 30 cos 5 minus sine 30 sine 5. So here minus cos 30 cos 5 plus cos 30 cos 5 get cancelled. Remaining positive terms sine 5 minus sine 30 sine 5 minus sine 30 sine 5. Both are equal and both are same sign. So we can adding the two terms minus 2 sine 30 sine 5. Sine 5 minus 2 into what about the value of sine 30? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into sine 5. క్లాస్లో ఉన్నా పెట్టే నేను క్లాస్లో ఉన్నాను రా
sin 5 minus
sine 5. So plus sine 5 minus sine 5 both are get cancelled. That is equal to 0. That is RHS. So LHS equal to RHS. అదే కదా మా ప్రూఫ్ చేయమంది కూడా. Everyone note that one? Okay. Everyone completed? How many members are participants? 4 members. So వంశీకృష్ణ కూడా ఉన్నాడమ్మా. వంశీకృష్ణ ఇద్దే ఎవరెవరున్నారు ఒకసారి చెప్పండి అమ్మా. సాయి శివారెడ్డి, త్రివేణి, జయంతి, దివ్య, వంశీకృష్ణ. చెప్పమ్మా ఎవరమ్మా? ఓకే ఇవాళనే ఫస్ట్ అమ్మా క్లాస్. ఓకే అమ్మా ఇప్పుడు నువ్వు క్లాసెస్ విను, నీకేమన్నా డౌట్ ఉంటే నేను మళ్ళీ స్టార్ట్ చేస్తానమ్మా టాపిక్, అప్పుడు నీకు క్లియర్గా అర్థమవుతుంది. ఓకేనా? ఆల్రెడీ ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రీ అనేది మీకు 10th క్లాస్లో ఉన్నటువంటి టాపికే కాబట్టి ఏం ప్రాబ్లం లేదు. ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నా సరే నేను ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను వాళ్ళ తర్వాత. ఏ స్కూల్ అమ్మా? ఏ స్కూల్? స్కూల్ అమ్మా నీది ఏ స్కూల్? తుమ్మడం జెడ్పిహెచ్ఎస్. ఓకే 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 అమ్మా ఓకే ఓకే. సో వీడియో ఆఫ్ చేయమ్మా. ఓకే నోట్ చేసుకోమనగానే స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకున్నాము, తర్వాత మీరు పేర్లో నోట్ చేయండి. ఓకే సో నెక్స్ట్ వన్, ప్రూవ్ దట్. నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం, ప్రూవ్ దట్ tan 72 is equal to, వాయిస్ మ్యూట్లో పెట్టండి అమ్మ ఎవరు. tan 72 degrees equals tan 18 degrees plus 2 into tan 54 degrees. సో ఈ ప్రాబ్లం కంప్లీటెడ్ అమ్మ, ఒకసారి చూడండి. ఏం లేదు కదా, కంప్లీట్ కాలేదు. ఓకే tan 72 is equal tan 18 plus 2 into tan 54 degrees. Okay. For example, we know the value of 72, 18 and 54. అవి values తెలిస్తే substitute on the left side value tan 72. That value is equal to sum of tan 18 and 2 into tan 54 కి equal అని prove చేయొచ్చమ్మా. But we don't know the value of 72, 18 and 54 degrees. But by using these three angles, we can write one condition. What is that one? ఆ 3 యాంగిల్స్ నుంచి మనం ఒక కండిషన్ నోట్ చేయొచ్చమ్మా. ఏంటది చెప్పండి. we know that 72 minus 18 degrees is equal to 54 degrees. 72 minus 18 is equal to, we will get 54. వస్తుందమ్మా చూడండి ఒకసారి. Now applying on both sides tan ratio. tan of 72 minus 18 is equal to tan 54. So left side tan ratio is in the form of tan of A minus B. What is the compound angle for tan of A minus B? Tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A into tan B is equal to tan 54. Tan 72 minus tan 18 by 1 plus tan of denominator 72 can be written as denominator లో ఉన్నటువంటి 72 ని by using compound angles ఏమని అప్లై చేయొచ్చు చెప్పండి అమ్మా. 72 can be written as 90 minus 18. బోర్డ్ క్లియర్ గా ఉందమ్మా మీకు? ఓకే. Into tan 18 is equal to tan 54. Tan 72 minus tan 18 by 1 plus tan of 90 minus theta. Tan of 90 minus means cot theta. Cot 18 into tan 18 is equal to tan 54. Tan 72 minus tan 18 by 1 plus cot theta and tan theta both are reciprocal ratios. So product of the reciprocal ratios is equal to 1. So cot 18 into tan 18 is equal to 1 is equal tan 54. So that equals tan 54. So tan 72 minus tan 18 by 1 plus 1, 2 is equal to tan 54 degrees. So left side denominator 2, we will get right side tan 72 minus tan 18 is equal to 2 into tan 54. So left side negative term can move from right side, then we will get tan 72 is equal to tan 18 plus 2 into tan 54 degrees. అదేనమ్మా ప్రూఫ్ చేయమన్న కండిషన్ కూడా. Tan 72 is equal tan 18 plus 2 into tan 54 degrees. Okay, note that one. Okay. Remaining members completed amma. Okay, 1 minute amma. Screenshot తీసుకున్నారా ఇందాక ప్రాబ్లం? ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు చూడండి కనిపిస్తుందా? ఇప్పుడు చూడండి అమ్మా, కనిపిస్తుందా? Okay. So next problem. Prove that sin 750 degrees ఇప్పుడమ్మా prove that sin 750 degrees into cos 480 degrees plus cos 120 into cos 60 degrees is equal to minus 1 by 2. We can prove that sin 750 degrees into cos 480 degrees plus cos 120 degrees into cos 60 degrees equal minus 1 by 2 అని ప్రూఫ్ చేయమంటున్నాడు. ఓకే సొల్యూషన్ బోర్డ్ క్లియర్గా ఉందా అమ్మా? ఓకే ఓకే 1 minute. ఇప్పుడు ఓకేనా? ఓకే సో first of all we can take LHS. Here LHS is sin 750 degrees into cos 480 degrees plus cos 120 degrees into cos 60 degrees. 750 can be written as, so totally what is the highest compound and highest allied angle? 360 plus. So 750 means 360 plus 360 720. So 2 into 360 plus 30 degrees into cos of 480 can be written as 360 plus 120 plus cos 120 into cos 60. Cos of 360 plus theta. 360 plus theta is in which quadrant? First quadrant. In the first quadrant all are positive signs. So cos 30 into cos 120 plus cos 120 into cos 60 degrees. 120 can be written as again cos 30 into cos of 120 means 90 plus 30 plus cos of 90 plus 30 into cos 60 degrees. Cos 30 into cos of 90 plus theta minus sin theta. So minus sin 30 plus cos of 90 plus theta minus sin 30 into cos 60. Now we know the value of 30 degrees and 60 degrees for sin ratio and cos ratio. Plus into minus minus cos 30. Whatever the value of cos 30? Root 3 by 2. Sin 30. Whatever the value of sin 30? 1 by 2. Okay, 1 minute అమ్మా ఇక్కడ సారీ ఇది sin 750 కదమ్మా. Sin whatever the value of sin 30? 1 by 2. Sin 30 1 by 2 plus into minus minus sin 30 1 by 2 cos 60 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4. So minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 minus 2 by 4. So 2 1 ja 2 2 ja, that equals minus 1 by 2, that is RHS. So LHS equals RHS. అదే కదా మా ప్రూఫ్ చేయమంది కూడా. Okay, note that one. Okay. Okay, next one. problem. If cos alpha is equal to minus 3 by 5 and sin beta is equal to 7 by 25, where alpha in between 90 and 180, pi by 2 less than alpha less than pi, and 0 less than beta less than pi by 2. 0 less than beta less than pi by 2. Then find the values of tan of alpha plus beta and sin of alpha plus beta. Okay, if cos alpha is equal to minus 3 by 5 and sin beta is equal to 7 by 5, that is the given value. Given that cos alpha is equal to minus 3 by 5 and sin beta is equal to 7 by 25. Okay, for the value of alpha in between which values? Alpha and beta అనేవి ఏ రెండిటి మధ్యలో ఉన్నాయమ్మా వాల్యూస్? 90 to 180, in between 90 and 180. So pi by 2 less than alpha less than pi, and beta in between 0 and 90. So 90 ki above, 180 ki below అంటే అది ఏ కోఆర్డినేట్? మా నేను క్లాస్లో ఉన్నామా, ఇంటికాడికి రమ్మా. Okay, 180 above, 180 below, 90 above. That angle is in which coordinate? First coordinate. So alpha belongs to is in second coordinate. Here beta is in first quadrant. Alpha అనేదేమో సెకండ్ క్వాడ్రంట్ లో ఉంటుంది, బీటా అనేదేమో ఫస్ట్ క్వాడ్రంట్ లో ఉంటుందమ్మా. So we can draw a right angle triangle for cos alpha in second quadrant. సెకండ్ క్వాడ్రంట్ లో నేను ఒక రైట్ యాంగిల్ ట్రయాంగిల్ ని డ్రా చేస్తున్నామా ఫర్ ఆల్ఫా. cos means adjacent by hypotenuse. Then what about opposite side value? 25 minus 9, 16. 16 means 4. From the figure or picture, we can find sin alpha and tan alpha. What about sin alpha? Opposite by hypotenuse, 4 by 5. Tan alpha, opposite by adjacent, 4 by minus 3. That means minus 4 by 3. Okay, beta is in first quadrant. So we can draw a right angle triangle in first quadrant for angle beta. Sin means opposite by hypotenuse. Then what about adjacent side? 725. 25 square minus 7 square. ఎంత వస్తుందమ్మా? 25 square minus 7 square. 25 square is 625 minus 7 square, 49. 625 minus 49. ఎంత వస్తుందమ్మా? 576. 576 means it is 24. So from the figure we can find cos beta, tan beta. Cos beta is equal adjacent by hypotenuse, 24 by 25. Tan beta, opposite by adjacent 7 by 24. Mari values, how can you find sin alpha, tan alpha, cos beta, tan beta? Because we can find the values of tan of alpha plus beta, sin of alpha plus beta. If tan of alpha plus beta is in the form of tan of a plus b, we can find this value means, first of all, we know the values of tan alpha and tan beta. For sin of alpha plus beta means, first of all, we know the values of sin alpha, cos alpha, sin beta, cos beta idea undalama. Okay, దాని కోసం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఓకేనా? సో ఎవ్రీవన్ నోట్ దట్ వన్. ఇంతవరకు నోట్ చేసుకోండమ్మా. నాట్ కంప్లీటెడ్ అమ్మా. ఓకే, ప్రాబ్లం కంప్లీట్ కాలేదు. ఓకే ఓకే, ఈ వాల్యూస్ ఐడియా ఉంచుకోండమ్మా. cos alpha minus 3 by 5, sin alpha 4 by 5, tan alpha minus 4 by 3, sin beta 7 by 25, cos beta 24 by 25, tan beta 7 by 24. Okay, so first of all we can find tan of alpha plus beta. Tan of alpha plus beta is equal, by using compound angle, tan alpha plus tan beta by 1 minus tan alpha into tan beta. What is the value of tan alpha? We know the value of tan alpha. Tan alpha value is minus ఎంత వచ్చిందమ్మా 4 by 3 plus tan beta 7 by 24 by whole by 1 minus of minus 4 by 3 into 7 by 24. So your LCM is 324 LCM 72, 24 4 ja 96 minus 96 plus 7 3 ja 21 whole by, here also denominator LCM 72, 72 1 ja 72 minus of minus plus 4 7 ja 28. So here 72 72 get cancelled. Minus 96 plus 21 minus 75 by 72 plus 28 100. So that rational form is simplest form or not? That is not a simplest form because both are divided with 25. 25 3 ja 25 4 ja. So that equal minus 3 by 4. Simplest form. So next one, sin of alpha plus beta. By compound angle, what about sin of alpha plus beta? Compound angle. Sin alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sin beta. What's the value of sin alpha? Given that, what is the value of sin alpha? Find the value of sin alpha. Find out chesam kadamma. What about value of sin alpha? 4 by 5. Cos beta 24 by 25 plus cos alpha minus 3 by 5, sin beta 7 by 25. So 24 4 ja 96 by 525 ja 125 plus into minus 3 7 ja 21 by 125. So both are denominators are equal. So we can subtracting numerators. 96 minus 21 75 by 125. So this rational form is simplest form or not? This is not a simplest form because numerator and denominator both are divided with 25. 25 3 ja 25 5 ja, that equals 3 by 5. Okay, nama clear? Okay, note that one. Okay. Okay, everyone note that one. So next one. So next problem. If 0 less than a less than b less than pi by 4 and sine of a plus b sine of a plus b is equal 24 by 25 and cos of a minus b is equal to 4 by 5. Then find the value of tan 2a. Tan 2a. Okay. In this problem, what is the given values are there? ఏ values ఇచ్చాడమ్మా problem లో? Students, 4 by 5. Then find the value of tan 2a. Find out చేయమంటున్నాను. Okay. So given that 0 less than a less than b less than pi by 4. So a and b both are in between 0 and pi by 4. 0 less than a less than pi by 4 and 0 less than b less than pi by 4. And also a less than b. Okay, we can adding these two terms, 0 less than a plus b less than 45 plus 45, we will get 90. And a less than b means on the right side b can move from left side, then we will get a minus b less than 0. So a plus b in between 0 and 90 means that angle is in which quadrant? 0 కి 90 కి మధ్యలో ఉంది అంటే ఏ కోఆర్డినేట్ లో ఉంటుందమ్మా? ఫస్ట్ క్వాడ్రంట్. And a minus b less than 0. Less than means negative angle. Negative means angle are rotated clockwise direction. Clockwise means that is in which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. So negative angles are always in fourth coordinate. So fourth coordinate kabatti, so here also a minus b is in fourth quadrant. Okay. And what about the given angle? Sine of a plus b is equal 24 by 25. Cos of a minus b is equal to 4 by 5. Cos a minus b is equal. నేను క్లాస్లో ఉన్నారండి, మళ్ళీ చేస్తా. Cos of a minus b is equal 4 by 5. Okay, a plus b is in first quadrant, so we can draw a right angle triangle in first quadrant. A plus b. Sine 24, 25. What about adjacent side? 7. Okay, find out చేయమన్న value ఎంతమ్మా? Tan ratio కాబట్టి for a plus b we can find tan of a plus b is equal to 24 by 7. A minus b is in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, x and y both are positive or negative? Okay, 4 for a minus b, 4, 5. Adjacent by hypotenuse. Then what about opposite side? 25 minus 16, 9. 9 means this is plus or minus 3, but below the origin is always negative value. So below the origin we can take minus 3. From the figure, tan of A minus B is equal opposite by adjacent. Opposite -3, adjacent 4. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు ఈ టూ వాల్యూస్ ని యూజ్ చేస్తూ tan 2a ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలమ్మా. ఓకే, ఎవ్రీవన్ నోట్ దట్ వన్. ఇక్కడ వరకు నోట్ చేయండి అమ్మా. ఓకే, tan 2a is equal tan of 2a mean we can write what are the given angles is there. Here given compound angles is one is a plus b, another one is a minus b. By using these two angles, when we will get 2a, ఈ రెండింటిని యూజ్ చేస్తూ 2a అనేది ఎలా వస్తుందమ్మా? a plus b, a minus b. So b both are opposite signs. We can adding these two terms, we will get 2a. 2a means a plus b plus a minus b. So right side term is in the form of tan of a plus b, compound angle formula. Tan of a plus b formula, tan a plus tan b by tan of a plus b plus tan of a minus b by 1 minus tan of a plus b into tan of a minus b. What about the value of tan of a plus b and tan of a minus b? 24/7. So 24/7 tan of a minus b minus 3/4 whole by 1 minus 24/7 into minus 3/4. 4. So ఈ రెండింటిని సింప్లిఫికేషన్ చేయండి అమ్మా. 24/7. So on the numerator, what is LCM? 4.
LCM 28. So 424 ja 96 plus into minus 7 4 3 ja 21 whole by 28 LCM 28 minus of